Hey guys, so we're over here at Salon Bravissimo in Sacramento. I am just looking at the wigs and the hair extensions because oh my god, they are so pretty. I don't need hair extensions, but I definitely want to get a wig, but I don't know if I'm gonna get a wig, so stay tuned to find out if I get a wig or not. But yeah, so we're over here. It's been a while since I got my hair trimmed and the ends are dead and it's just time to get it trimmed. So today's video is I am gonna do a little vlog. I'm getting my hair trimmed and I'm so happy and excited and I want to take you guys along with me. And look, this is how long my hair has gone. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the ends need to get trimmed. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have her trim like the ends off and stuff like that. So let's go. Okay, so we've made it to the salon and get my hair trimmed. I'm so excited and happy. God knows I need it.
Hi there. Hello. And they also
So we are here. So she's gonna cut about a few inches off my hair because the ends are like really bad. Yeah, she's gonna cut.
You gonna cut your hair?
Uh-huh. I have to. It's like, yeah, it's all dead.
It's just too long.
It's too long. Well, just like the dead ends. She's not gonna cut that much off. Yeah.
Good.
Not that much.
Yeah, yeah, you're fine.
Maybe just
Yeah, yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Trying to get the angle. Okay. All right, so Banaz is washing my hair. She is giving me the full experience here at Salon Bravissimo. When I came in there, my hair was actually really dry. So she is washing my hair. She's gonna put product in it to where it's going to hydrate my hair. She also said because this is wintertime, our hair is super dry because of the heating in our houses and stuff like that. So, and knowing me, I like it to be like 86 degrees in my place. So I like it hot. So, yep. So she's putting the stuff in my hair to hydrate my hair. She's washing it and basically detangling my hair too as well. So that way when she cuts my hair, it'd be nice and long and easy for her to cut my hair evenly. So here she towel wraps my hair and then she wraps it up in this really unique way. I've never seen any hairstylists do. And she like wraps it up and then she put it on my head. It kind of looks like one of those like Jewish hats, like a yarmulke, but I really liked it and it really made my hair super dry. So now we just wait to get my hair trimmed.
Thank you.
So she's putting this like moisture hair thing in my hair. Basically what it's supposed to do is moisten my hair. So my hair is still kind of dry, as you can see, like the ends especially. And here goes the big chop. No, I'm just kidding. It's a trim. But to me, I just feel like cutting anything off my hair is like a big chop. To me, it feels like. But so far, so good. She's cutting off all the dead ends. She's making it nice and even. And she is taking her time with trimming my hair. And man, the precision. And I just cannot imagine. So yeah, and then I know like on camera it's like what her hair still looks super long, but just to remind you guys, my hair is wet, so of course it's gonna look longer. So when it dries up, because my hair is naturally curly, it's gonna be a lot shorter. So yeah. All right, now that the trim is over with, she is putting some styling cream in my hair because my hair is so curly and textured already. So she is just putting a bunch of styling cream in my hair to give it that nice, voluptuous, healthy curls in my hair. And I'm over here reading the bottle because I went ahead on Amazon after this appointment and bought that bottle so I can put it in my hair. And yeah, Banaz just does a really great job. I love it. All right, I absolutely love it. It's definitely trimmed, no more thin split ends for me for a while. And yes, look at that wave. But yeah, she definitely did a good job. I really like it a lot. And yes, definitely. She's at Salon Bravissimo in Fair Oaks in Sacramento. I'll put the address and her Instagram below. I totally recommend getting your hair trimmed every 3 months because it's definitely worth it and it looks so clean, especially if your hair grows hecka fast. So yeah, in the next like month, 2 months, like it's gonna be back to how it was. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.